Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Zoho Projects for Gantt chart planning step by step clearly. Open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Zoho Projects. Hit the Enter key to navigate to the Zoho Projects homepage. Look for the Sign Up button on the top right corner of the page. Click on the Sign Up button. You will see a new page prompting you to enter your information. Fill in your first name and last name in the provided fields. Enter your email address in the designated box. Create a strong password and type it in the password field. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the confirmation field. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box to agree to the terms. Click on the Sign Up button at the bottom of the form. You might receive a confirmation email shortly. Go to your email inbox and find the confirmation email from Zoho. Open the email and look for the confirmation link. Click on the confirmation link to verify your email address. You will be redirected back to the Zoho Projects site. Now, log in using your email and password. Once logged in, you will be greeted by the dashboard. Choose a template or start with a blank project. For Gantt chart planning, select the option to create a new project. Enter the project name and description. Set the project duration and any other relevant details. Click on the Create button to finalize the project setup. Navigate to the Gantt chart view from the project settings. You can now add tasks to your Gantt chart. For each task, enter the task name, start date, and duration. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.